the ShamWow fucking things.
Hey, babe.
Yeah, fucking Jason.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Diesel? That motherfucker's legit.
He subs me at it, but yeah, he's like unironically like does not like that.
He's close to
Slipped and fell into this.
That's not. I might have maybe it fell when I'm like.
I think it's weird enough.
Get out.
And then you can read this one.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate it.
I don't think it will.
As long as you going to borrows.
Very bad. I lost my phone in my bed.
Also, he was just like fucking standing around. Like the music was just playing. Turn to the left and
Yeah.
Did you get on camera on video, dog?
I didn't get to take you. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Turn the flash off.
Wait, I thought you were
Turn the flash off. Hey, no paparazzi, no paparazzi. Sorry, pal. No, yeah, bro, did it spill again? It landed on the... I was gonna say, bro.
I'm going to slice my finger on this can.
You're good, you're good. You can let go of it.
No, I don't. I'm not really.
I got it from the bottom.
I just don't know where the fuck we're going. Like, I mean, it's like, it's in here, but it's not doing shit.
Alright, up and then towards me. 3, 2, 1.
If it just were hitting it.
Oh, it's still a headbolt. It's still like...
It would come forward.
Let me get this. No.
It's stuck on the head.
Really?
Fuck.
On the back?
It's just like the threads are catching on the pen gasket.
Oh.
Yeah, the threads are caught on the head gasket.
Oh, there's no bolt in the front.
There you go. The head gasket sits back down. Hellcat feel.
Is it out?
No more.
Sorry, I literally didn't know that was there.
Come on, baby.
Okay, now
I got that.
okay.
Just you set it right there.
Yeah,
Take
yeah.
that bolt out. Where is it?
To the front.
Alright, go on now.
Huh?
I think the album's over.
Why are you recording that?
Fuck it, zip tie around the cam. Y'all ever heard of the free zip tie mods you do on your cams?
What?
That's like right.
Yeah. You hear that? Instead of buying a place to live, you might buy a manual Hellcat. Same price as rent.
Sell everything.
What would you choose? Rent or Hellcat?
Can't drive a
I'm
house.
choosing rent.
I'm choosing
Wait.
Hellcat.
You're choosing rent, bro? Yeah, I'm choosing. Have you ever driven a Hellcat?
Damn.
So the e-brake is this little thing.
That ain't my ass.
That's fucked up.
You drove David's, huh? Oh yeah, this one. No, this motherfucker drove David's Hellcat.
David.
Do you remember the purple Hellcat? That was manual?
Yeah, he slid it.
Huh.
He just wants to sort his rich
He did.
friends.
We can probably grab Peter too if we I think that's really bold. There we go. Oh. Okay,
How close am I on that? Over there?
Up. Down, there you go. You're on. You're on. Worry about the head bolts. I got the head in place.
Alright.
Fucking.
Here, well, we get an easy one.
You got
to start.
Is that a new one or an old one?
New one.
Okay. That's fire. That's a good idea. Actually work.
Yeah, that was your idea, right?
think so.
That's good.
I'll take.
You can weld aluminum?
Huh?
I was good. No, I was good at a welder, yeah. I'm pretty good at aluminum. That's the bet. I'm okay at
I'll fuck with it. Just oh, yeah, dude.
It's only a band a month, bro.
It's only a band a month.
Bro, the grand
Hellcat could be yours.
bro, the grand scheme of things, that's nothing.
Of what? Crack.
Alright, if you buy me this car, I'll give you a lifetime subscription on paint work.
Oh shit.
It's
How
only
much?
It's only 10K.
Okay.
10K, but you have a lifetime painter.
Just push up a little bit. There you go. You almost had it. Push it towards the back, Philip. A little more. A little more.
Oh, I dropped on the back. There you go.
Hold on, watch out. Watch your hand.
It's weird as how I push my leg down.
Tell me how it has to move next.
Up towards me.
Do you want to come over here, Max? I'm not just sit.
No, I can see it from here. It's kind of like a good angle since I can see it.
What's up, Dawson? How you doing, Phil? It's a pleasure. Alright.
Don't shake it around too much. I'm just gonna see if your exhaust is lined up.
Okay.
Leave it alone for a second. So you're going on a date?
You don't need to hold the button, my friend.
Lift it upwards nice and there, just to take the weight off. Yeah.
Oh, bro. There it is. That's crazy.
No way.
Maybe like
This is gonna be a good like 8 months with this thing.
Out there. Out there.
It does kind of taste like shit.
I think some of the luxury.
Why just convince Max to do meth or something?
Yeah, bro. What was the other option? The 6.0 besides the V10 trying, or is it the 7.3?
It's a 6.0.
I think it was the 6 low.
Bro, I don't know. I got a manual 7.3.
What? That's the manual
Dually.
7.3?
Yeah, the dual toolboxes.
That's crazy, dude. I was up in Idaho on a fishing trip, and a dude wants to sell me an ambulance, an old Ford ambulance. It's got a 7.3 and it's the 450 chassis. So it's got the fucking dually, everything, fucking heavy duty chassis.
Mine's a 450.
I was like, dude, holy shit. And he only wants like 8,000. And it's running and driving.
That's not a very good deal. Not gonna lie to you.
That's kind of
These are pretty small, so I'll start one in the rotation. I'll get it going, and then I'll get.
You're
see how
probably
that's
good to
going.
just do one, bro.
I think the old
We'll start with one.
That's probably just easier.
it's a 7 power stroke. That's
Oh,
it.
no.
But you say it's second though.
Yeah, it's like
No way.
But at the same time, I'm so 12 valve clutch.
Vanities and whatnot. Virtually from home. That's
so my mom and I, we might be hitting you up.
Set up an appointment. I'd be happy to help you.
Yeah.
You don't remember leaving?
I don't.
You don't remember the drive?
No, not one bit.
Yeah, well, what I did is I bought the battery years ago. I will. At the moment, I like it with.
Oh, you took it off.
Bro, I was like, I'm gonna go get some water and I come in there.